Ever stared at a jumble of letters and numbers and wondered, what in the digital world is that? I'm talking about those cryptic strings you see when dealing with cryptocurrency, specifically a Newton USDT address. You know, the kind you need to send or receive those digital dollars? It's not just random gibberish, is it? It's a key, a destination, a digital fingerprint. But how does it actually work? What's going on behind the scenes when you see something like 0xABCDEF123456789 and so on? Let's be honest, crypto can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. You hear about USDT, you hear about addresses, you hear about blockchains, but piecing it all together? That's where things get tricky. We're bombarded with terms like tokens, wallets, networks, and it's easy to get lost. So, let's cut through the noise and focus on one specific question. What does a Newton USDT address look like, and what does it mean? First, let's address the Newton part. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange platform, and like any exchange, it facilitates the buying, selling, and transferring of various digital assets, including USDT. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin. That means its value is pegged to a fiat currency, in this case, the US dollar. This stability is what makes USDT so popular for trading and transferring value in the often volatile crypto market. Now, we need to talk about the address. In the traditional banking world, you have account numbers. These numbers identify your bank account and allow others to send you money. In the crypto world, addresses serve a similar purpose. Think of them as your digital mailbox, where your USDT tokens are delivered. But here's where things get interesting. Unlike traditional bank accounts, crypto addresses are not centrally managed by a single entity. They exist on a blockchain, a decentralized, distributed ledger that records every transaction. This decentralization is a core feature of cryptocurrencies, offering transparency and security. When we talk about a Newton USDT address, we're essentially talking about an address on a blockchain network that supports USDT. Now, USDT can exist on multiple blockchains, each with its own address format. The most common ones you'll encounter are the Ethereum network, ERC20, the Tron network, TRC20, and the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. Let's break down these formats. ERC20. If your Newton USDT address is on the Ethereum network, it will look like a string of 42 alphanumeric characters, starting with 0x. This 0x prefix is a standard identifier for Ethereum addresses. It's crucial to understand that ERC20 addresses are case-sensitive. Why does it look like that? Well, Ethereum addresses are derived from the public key of your wallet. Your public key is a long, complex string of characters generated using cryptographic algorithms. This public key is then hashed and truncated to create the 42-character address. TRC20. If your Newton USDT address is on the Tron network, it will look different. It will start with T and consist of 34 alphanumeric characters. Tron addresses are also based on public keys, but the encoding and formatting are different. The T prefix is a clear indicator that you're dealing with a Tron address. This difference in format is essential because sending USDT to the wrong network can result in the loss of your funds. Imagine trying to send a letter to a house with the wrong address. It simply won't reach its destination. BEP20. If your Newton USDT address is on the Binance Smart Chain, it will again resemble an ERC20 address, starting with 0x and consisting of 42 alphanumeric characters. This similarity is because Binance Smart Chain is designed to be compatible with Ethereum. However, just because it looks similar doesn't mean it's interchangeable. Sending ERC20 USDT to a BEP20 address, or vice versa, will likely result in lost funds. You need to ensure that the network you're using matches the network of the address you're sending to. So, how does Newton fit into all this? Newton acts as a gateway, allowing you to access and manage your USDT across these different networks. When you generate a USDT address on Newton, the platform will specify which network that address belongs to. This is crucial information that you need to pay attention to. Now, let's talk about the practical implications. Why is it so important to understand the format of your Newton USDT address? Security. Sending USDT to the wrong network is a common mistake that can lead to irreversible losses. By understanding the format of your address, you can double-check and ensure that you're sending your funds to the correct destination. Compatibility. Different exchanges and wallets support different networks. Knowing which network your Newton USDT address belongs to allows you to ensure compatibility when transferring funds. Efficiency. Some networks have lower transaction fees and faster confirmation times than others. For example, Tron transactions are generally faster and cheaper than Ethereum transactions. By choosing the right network, you can optimize your transactions. Verification. When receiving USDT, you can verify the validity of the address by checking its format and comparing it to the network it claims to belong to. This can help prevent scams and fraudulent transactions. Let's illustrate with an example. Imagine you want to send USDT from your Newton account to a friend's wallet. Your friend gives you an address that starts with T. You immediately know that this is a Tron address. You then need to ensure that you select the Tron network when sending USDT from Newton. If you mistakenly select the Ethereum network, your funds will likely be lost. Another example, you are given an address that starts with 0x. You need to ask your friend which network this address belongs to. Is it ERC20 or BEP20? The starting 0x alone is not enough to make the determination. So, what are the key takeaways? USDT can exist on multiple blockchains: Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, and Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, are the most common. Each network has a distinct address format. ERC20 and BEP20 start with 0x and are 42 characters long, while TRC20 starts with T and is 34 characters long. Network compatibility is crucial. Sending USDT to the wrong network can result in the loss of your funds. Newton provides network information. When generating a USDT address on Newton, the platform will specify which network it belongs to. Understanding address formats enhances security and efficiency. You can verify addresses and choose the most suitable network for your transactions. In essence, your Newton USDT address is more than just a random string of characters. It's a vital piece of information that determines where your digital dollars are sent and received. Understanding its format and the network it belongs to is essential for safe and efficient cryptocurrency transactions. It's about having the knowledge to navigate this digital landscape with confidence. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your assets. It's about demystifying the complex world of cryptocurrency, one address at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.